Hello and welcome to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer classes. If you're new or you're just getting started, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in Excel. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what a chart is, how to create charts in Excel, types of charts in Excel, step by step on how to create charts and chart elements, and also how to format charts and also how to update the charts. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So creating charts in Excel helps you transform numbers into visual information that is easy to understand. Charts helps to make data look clearer, to be visual, professional, and easy for you to analyze. What is a chart? Basically, a chart is a graphical representation of data. Instead of reading rows of numbers, charts helps you to compare values, see trends, identify patterns, and make decisions faster. Why use charts? Chart helps you to make reports look more professional, helps in representation, easier to understand the tables. It's useful for businesses, schools, and research. And for example, they are used in sales to create reports and also to make them easy to understand using column chart than having long tables. Types of charts in Excel. Go to the Insert tab, Chart Group. Here, there are common chart types. You'll just select column charts. Best for comparing values between categories. Example, sales that is made within a specific given month. A bar chart is similarly to column chart, but horizontal. Best for comparing many categories. The third type of chart is line chart and is best to show trends over time, for example, monthly profit growth. The fourth type of chart is a pie chart, which shows the percentage of parts of a whole. Example, market share distribution. The fifth chart is area chart, and it's used to show trends with field areas. The sixth one is scattered plots, which is used for scientific or relationship data. A step-by-step way to create a chart. For example, create a column chart. The first step is to create data in a table. As you can see, I have a small chart. I have a small data in this table, which has 2 columns and 4 rows. And the second step is to highlight the data, then insert tab, then choose the type of chart that you want. For example, a column chart, a pie chart, and so on. Then select the preferred style that you want the chart to look like. Then Excel automatically creates a chart for you. Chart elements. After creating a chart, you can add chart title, axis title, data labels, legends, grid lines, and this is done by going to chart design. Then you can add chart element as you want. Formatting a chart, you can change color, you can change the style, you can resize the chart, you can remove chart from another sheet, and then you can also change chart type. Go to chart design tab, then moving chart to a new sheet. Click on the chart, go to chart design, click move chart, then select new sheet, and this is useful for printing or generating reports. Updating charts. Chart updates automatically when data is changed. If data doesn't update, check selected range, use select data option. Practical example for you to practice, create a student performance chart. For example, as you can see, with subject and marks for maths, English, science, and IT, then with the respective marks, then create a column chart, add a chart table, add a data label, then change chart color style. And I'll be able to show you in the next lesson how to create a chart. Common mistakes while creating a chart: selecting incomplete data, using wrong chart type, too many colors, missing chart title, and not labeling your axis the way it's supposed to be labeled. Assignment for you today: create a sales report for 6 months and then create a line chart, add a chart title, add a data label, then format professionally. And this brings us to the end of today's lesson. If you relate to this kind of content, or you feel that is something that you want to come back and also see, kindly consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. And see you in the next lesson. Bye.